Sometimes in Google Sheets you have a lot of data to work with and you want to scroll through it, and as I scrolled up here you can see that my top row disappeared. We can fix that over here with View. Click on View, we click on Freeze here, and we want to click on one row. So we've frozen one row from the top, and so now if I scroll up now we can see what all the headers mean, but we've lost our data at the side there. So we can do the same thing again. We can click on View, Freeze, and we're going to freeze one column, and that now means we can move our data sideways and not lose the column, the first column, which might have some important information for us that we want to access, and we can scroll up as well and not lose the header row either. And to undo that we just come back to View, Freeze, no rows, Freeze, no columns.